Hello everyone, once again welcome to Jennifer Fitness Fuel. Today our topic is healthy eating on a budget. Eating healthy on a budget can seem challenging, but with a few smart strategies and planning, it is absolutely possible. Making nutritious food choices doesn't have to break the bank. Here are some tips to help you eat healthy while on a budget. 1. Plan your meals. Planning your meals in advance is a great way to save money and eat healthily. Take some time each week to create a meal plan and make a shopping list accordingly. This will help you avoid impulse buying and ensure that you only purchase what you need. 2. Buy whole foods. Whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes are not only nutritious but also tend to be more affordable compared to processed and pre-packaged foods. Incorporate these staples into your diet as they provide essential nutrients and fiber without the added cost. 3. Shop in season. Seasonal produce is often less expensive and more flavorful. Fruits and vegetables that are in season are usually abundant, leading to lower prices. Take advantage of local farmers markets or discounted produce sections at your grocery store to find fresh and affordable options. 4. Buy in bulk. Purchasing staple items in bulk can be cost-effective. Items like rice, beans, oats, and nuts can be bought in larger quantities, saving you money in the long run. Additionally, consider joining a wholesale club or co-op where you can get discounts on bulk purchases. 5. Cook at home. Eating out or ordering takeout can quickly add up and strain your budget. Cooking at home allows you to have control over the ingredients and portion sizes, helping you make healthier choices. Invest in basic cooking skills and experiment with simple and budget-friendly recipes. 6. Meal prep. Spending a little time on meal prep can save you both money and time during the week. Prepare larger batches of meals and store them in portion-sized containers for easy grab-and-go options. This reduces the temptation to eat out or buy expensive convenience foods when you're busy or tired. 7. Limit processed foods. Processed and convenience foods often come with a higher price tag and can be less nutritious. They are typically packed with added sugars, unhealthy fats, and preservatives. Stick to whole foods as much as possible to get the most nutrition for your money. 8. Utilize leftovers. Don't let leftovers go to waste. Instead, repurpose them into new meals. For example, roasted vegetables can be turned into a stir-fry or added to a salad. Get creative and find ways to use up leftover ingredients to stretch your budget. 9. Compare prices and shop smart. Take the time to compare prices at different stores or online. Look for sales, discounts, and coupons to make the most of your money. Generic or store brand products are often cheaper but can be just as good as name brand options. 10. Drink water. Skip sugary beverages like soda and juice, as they not only add to your grocery bill but also lack nutritional value. Opt for water as your primary beverage. It's free, refreshing, and essential for good health. Eating healthy on a budget requires careful planning, smart shopping, and making conscious choices. By incorporating these strategies into your routine, you can prioritize your health without breaking the bank. Remember, small steps can lead to significant changes in your overall well-being and financial stability. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.